There you go.
Right now, I trade that S10 that I can in for a truck like this. That thing nice. Watch out. Look at the interior. Factory. Side seats.
This is factory? That dash doesn't look
That
factory.
fast is got the factory.
Oh.
Yeah. Everything is factory except the seats. And the door, stitches. That's how they call it factory. See that keep truck right there. The keep truck is acting like that.
This is a nice color.
I don't mind talking about it. I want that color. Put on my S10.
Let me get you a picture right here.
Man, y'all know I love these C10s. I was wondering when somebody gonna recognize me from TikTok. I love to play with this on me, boy. I need somebody to
It's
see
EJ style.
and on a dirt road, boy, I love to turn up on it. I like that color blue. Look at that.
That's close to that other blue. I love that one better. This is close to your other truck blue. I can't stand it.
Well, my truck was a little lighter than that.
Yeah, it was, but it's still.
Let me get
So I can see why you like that color. I like that one best.
You know where it is? You got 501? No, I know where that is.
Okay, then.
Yep, I know where that is. I love it. Love that road.
She'll come. That's nice.
I've been gonna do it for years. Well, I think
Yeah, I bet you do.
You the owner of that truck. I'm gonna ask what that color is. I love color. This one in the field, boy.
Let me get you a picture.
Detroit.
Okay, I'm ready. Let me get the flag in it. Come up a little bit. You come up a little bit. Come up a little bit. Okay. You were blocking. That was 13. Come up a little bit.
I love the blue boot. I like that blue.
You like it?
Yeah. I want to look at that color code.
yeah.
See, it's like,
I like
that
this.
blue and that blue is like mixed.
Yeah, and I like it. I don't know.
Put it in my pocket because I'll be forgotten.
We'll have another show.
No, you're
Judges
fine.
way
I
back.
just didn't want to get in.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
On the cover.
Yeah, that's nice. Go ahead, go ahead.
We and y'all with it.
Well, you called the number out a while ago. when you
C3,
didn't
three.
You're the auctioneer here. That's right. I'm just going to follow you. That's right. You're the auctioneer. We're all
This is 4.
4.
I want that color. You want to like that color?
I mean, it's a nice color.
I like that color.
That's the color for you.
That's the color I want the S10 right now. Sure.
No, that's Jason Carey's.
I want to know the color.
Huh?
The color of it.
And that's his brother's Camaro right there. These are the ones that got this body shop right behind. I don't know where He walks around with his staff shirt.
Okay.
That's right.
That's it. I want these colors. They're gonna have one in New Orleans, Mississippi, right up, up the road. I want to go to March the 30th on a Saturday. Take a picture of it.
How much space you have on here?
You got pause it. Man, I want me to see 10. See, I remember him last year come with say that black guy was talking to.
Oh, okay.
See how he said he got up early and came.
Yeah.
He's like, I don't know how to be cool with that. See,
Let me look at this old school.
that's it.
What is this? A Plymouth?
No. You look good in that one.
Yeah, painted pink. You remember that movie, The Pink Cadillac? What was the Christina? The name of the car was Christina, and it would kill people. It looked like this. You have it? Yeah. This what this car looks like, the Christina car.
What color my truck was.
But it wasn't this. No, it wasn't this exact color.
That's a front light. 1958.
Ooh.
352.
Wow. It looked like the same radiator and everything back here. Everything's the same.
It's like a teal blue, the color.
Ooh, this is a big long one. I've looked in the Hirsch, honey. You ought to seen the mist they had in. Ooh, some dark stuff going on up in that Hirsch. Ooh, you'll see it.
So you can get in there about when you come to car show, have your stuff. It's a really car show is supposed to
I
be.
like this.
Yeah.
Now, I would want this pink. I always wanted a Nova. Yeah, I like Novas, but I want a pink one. Yeah, I like this car. But I would want a hot pink one.
So, 1972.
I'll take 72, 73, 74, either one. I do.
I like it all.
I love them. Yeah, with the what is it? A Camaro, the Trans Am.
The truck, the blue. I don't want everybody got that blue, dark blue. I want that.
Well, get that blue.
I like that. I need my S10 like that.
You need your S10. No.
The big motor.
Y'all see this? This man said he want his S10. He said he want his S10 to look like this.
Yeah.
What you gonna do with your S10 looking like this? What, is this a racing vehicle?
Yeah. I think they put it in the dirt and mud.
Oh.
Just big cars.
Yeah.
It's loud. You see that right there? He ain't got no
What?
exhaust running to the back. So it's gonna be loud.
Mm-hmm. It's a racing vehicle.
Yeah. A derby.
How you doing?
All right, yeah. Look at that Bronco.
That's cool.
ride that
Yeah, that's
Bronco.
cool. I like it too. This Bronco is really cute.
1970.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
It's really
That's
cute.
cool. That's cool right there.
You already know I wanted pink. Pink everything. This is super cute.
We got a motor in here, boy. It's 1971.
I seen that. You still ready to sell it? No. $2,500 today. Okay.
Look at these. Is this Jeepers Creepers car? Oh.
They got like a Jack Daniels bottle for the radio.
Wow.
Look at the sunroof.
Wow.
It's one of the most creative cars I ever seen.
I saw that.
Got bullets on the top for the lights, like on the big truck had the tail lights. I can get it where it go off if you don't want it. If you want to be able to see.
Yeah, I don't want to keep shit
Gotcha.
now.
Pause it.